What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best action cameras in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the Akaso Brave 7LE, the best budget action camera on the market in 2022, with a touch screen, intuitive user interface, pretty good image stabilization, and more than solid quality videos and photos. These Akaso cameras are without a doubt the best you can find at such a low price. The design is clean and refined, with a large circular lens. There are screens on the front and back of the camera that you can switch between depending on how you shoot. You can easily use the device with one hand and keep it in a coat pocket or a small compartment in a travel bag. The Akaso Lock 7LE comes with a waterproof case that is light enough to attach and remove. You can use the camera up to 40 meters underwater with the case. For an affordable camera, the Akaso Brave 7LE captures video extremely well in bright conditions, especially at the highest 4K settings. You can choose from 9 different manual combinations of resolutions and frame rates to suit your needs, from 720p at 240 fps to 4K at 30 fps. There's also a choice of 4 different zoom options, depending on how many landscapes you want to capture within the shot. As for additional shooting options, you can create time-lapse videos and photos, fast and slow motion shots, loop videos, and burst photos. There are no modes for night and low-light shooting, but that's to be expected from an action camera at this price. The photos snapped with the Akaso Lock 7LE are pretty good, with a resolution of up to 20 megapixels. The colors are bright, there's a good contrast, and the details are beautiful and sharp. If you want a lower quality image, you can also choose between 16, 14, 10, and 8 megapixels, and even 5 megapixels. The battery life on the Akaso Brave 7LE is decent, in part because it has 2 rechargeable 1350 mAh batteries in the box. Putting it on a quick charge of 30 minutes, the device is recharged by about 20%, and it takes about 2.5 hours to recharge. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about is Insta360 Go 2, the best value action camera on the market in 2022. This model has a small pill-shaped body, ranking it among the smallest action cameras in the world. The Insta360 Go 2 charging case is just as important as the camera itself. For starters, this is the only way to charge the camera. The screen allows you to switch between different shooting modes and shows you the battery status of the case and the camera. The case even has Bluetooth, which can be used to remotely control the camera. The quality of the case is very good, including the hinge. When it comes to video, the sensor can record up to 1440p at 50 frames per second, which is not bad for most users. You get standard, pro video, HDR, time-lapse, time shift, and slow motion video mode. The same goes for photo modes, which include standard, interval, star-lapse, and night shot. Insta360 Go 2 supports Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi. Unlike the GoPro camera, you get 32 gigabytes of built-in memory, which is a nice addition. The Go 2 is also waterproof for use up to 4 meters underwater. However, only the camera is waterproof, not the case. The Insta360 app has a nice design and offers many options for editing your photos and videos before exporting. It also has various field of view options such as ultra-wide, action view, linear, and narrow. The Insta360 app for iOS and Android allows you to remotely control the camera, update its firmware, and download videos and photos to your phone. One of the main reasons to consider Insta360 Go 2 over GoPro is the versatility and flexibility it offers when it comes to editing. The camera itself has a magnetic back, so you can stick it directly to any metal surface without worrying about mounts. Users are quite satisfied with the quality of the video recorded in daylight. Time-lapse videos can also be recorded in 1440p, and the quality is very good. Photos can look great depending on how you process them. The app offers 2 useful post-processing settings called Pure Shot and Color Plus. In terms of autonomy, the Go 2 can only record video for up to 30 minutes in 1440p in standard mode before the battery runs out. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present you the DJI Action 2, the best compact action camera available in the market in 2022. DJI Action 2 is about half the size of a GoPro Hero10 Black and still manages to offer almost as many features. But what really sets it apart is its magnetic locking system, which opens up many more innovative ways to drive through objects. DJI Action 2 consists of 2 units, the camera itself, and the charging unit. The variant, called the dual screen combo, includes an additional screen on the charging unit with an additional holder for the sticky head in the box. This model has an aluminum alloy housing, which gives it a superior look and feel. It's resistant to dust and water up to 10 meters and can be extended up to 60 meters with an optional housing. On the side, you'll find one microphone, power button trigger, and contact pins for magnetic connection to the charging unit. The front is dominated by a camera lens along with one status LED in one corner. The back of the DJI Action 2 has a 1.76-inch, responsive and fairly visible OLED touchscreen. The charging unit is approximately the same size as the camera module. It has 3 additional microphones, a USB Type-C port, a micro SD card slot, a power shutter button, and an LED status. This module is not resistant to dust or water, which means that you'll have to be careful how and where you use it. In terms of design, DJI Action 2 is very innovative because it contains a lot of technology in a very small space. DJI Action 2 has a CMOS sensor with a fixed focus of 12 megapixels, while the ultra-wide-angle lens has a field of view of 155 degrees. One of the prominent features of this action camera is 4K 120fps video recording, although only 5 minutes per clip at ideal temperatures. Due to its size, the battery life of the DJI Action 2 is not so bad. The camera's internal memory will allow you to capture about 25 minutes of 4K shots at 60 frames per second, and you'll probably run out of storage before the battery runs out. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, check out the Insta360 One R Twin Edition, the silver medalist and the best runner-up action camera on the market in 2022. We're looking at a modular action camera that combines the 2 biggest trends in one consumer camera. It is light and pocket-sized, but has a unique look and feel. The device comes from 4 parts that blend perfectly: a full processor module with a touch screen, a dual lens module for 360 degrees, a 4K compatible module, and an 1190 mAh base battery that connects them all. The One R Twin Edition offers much more than just being super lightweight. Both lenses shoot in RAW and JPEG formats, and it speeds up to 100 megabytes per videos. It even has a real-time histogram on the small screen. The device is also waterproof and can be submerged to up to a depth of 5 meters if placed inside its mounting bracket. The package includes several new innovations, such as Color Plus, HDR video, and Night Shot. And long-standing features such as the stabilization of the 6-axis flow state gyroscope are also here. The One R Twin Edition also includes no download editing, so you can edit pictures on your phone without first downloading. Battery life is also about an hour, so serious users are advised to invest in a reinforced battery base, especially because the editing process really consumes the battery charge. The versatility of 360 degrees recording in 4K is excellent, and both lenses are of excellent quality. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall action camera in 2022, which deservedly went to the GoPro Hero10 Black. With this model, GoPro has improved the interior of its flagship action camera so you can capture smoother, sharper video and share it with others faster than ever before. HyperSmooth 4.0 is a huge upgrade over the previous iteration. It now works at resolutions of up to 5.3K, which was previously limited to 4K. Hero10 can also record motion-stabilized videos. The frame rate for lower resolutions has also doubled compared to Hero 9. Hero10 can shoot 4K at 120 FPS and 2.7K at 240 FPS. Inside the camera, the Hero10 Black uses the company's new GP2 processor, which allows for things like faster transfers, better image stabilization, improved lighting in low light, and higher response. Despite similar looks, the Hero10 weighs 3% less than the Hero 9, 5.3 ounces instead of 5.6 ounces. Not much, but when you put it on a helmet, every ounce counts. Also, the Hero10 lens cap has a hydrophobic coating, and the glass is more resistant to scratches. Like most other GoPro devices, the Hero10 is waterproof up to 10 meters. The motion stabilization of the Hero10 is really impressive. The HDR mode for photos is also pretty good, and another fun feature is Time Warp, which takes a series of photos and merges them into a movie. Although the company offers desktop apps, you'll need the GoPro Quick app for your phone if you want to edit your videos on the go or control your Hero10. Connecting your iPhone to your camera will also be very easy. Lastly, expect the Hero10 to last between 1.5 to 2 hours on a single charge, depending on your settings. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.